Astaghfirullah!
Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to grant you a wish. Now be wise with what you choose.
Oh, okay then.
Come on already. Wish for something. Anything. Don't make me wait for so long.
Sorry, I just can't figure it out.
What about wealth?
Nope.
Women?
Nuh-uh.
Toys?
Nah, not a big fan of that. Wait, what do you take me for? I'm not a kid.
Cars?
Absolutely not.
For crying out loud, buddy, just wish for anything and I'll be done with you.
Well, to tell you the truth, I actually have everything I want, but still nothing is satisfying me. I just still feel empty inside, you know?
Do you guys feel like a Bambang sometimes?
Huh? Who's Bambang?
Why, you, of course. You see, the emptiness in your heart is caused by lack of barakah, and only Allah, the one and only, can help you out. So no one can turn sorrow into happiness, tightness into breathness, or pain into hope except Allah Azza wa Jal.
So, how can I get barakah?
There are a lot of things you could do to attain barakah, but I think the easiest way for you is sadaqah. You could donate sadaqah to your family, needy people, or charity institutions, or the dawah institutions like Darul Arqam Studio. But the most important thing is to intend your sadaqah as a worship to Allah. Inshallah, He will give you barakah when you need it. That's also the reason why I love to fulfill everyone's wishes.
Wow, you're really a generous person. I really wish I could be more like you.
As you wish, my friend.
Uh-oh.
Get barakah with sadaqah.